Hello everyone, my name is Chloe. I'm 7 years old. Today I talk about transportation. This is a bus. Bus go to school. Truck. This is a truck. This is a taxi. This is a van. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. This is a police car. Police car. This is an ambulance. This is a plane. This is a helicopter. This is a jet. This is a rocket. This is a ship. This is a boat. This is a canoe. This is a sailboat. This is a train. This is a motorbike. This is a bike. This is a skateboard. Thank you. Bye.